Hello everyone. Did Apollo curse mankind to punish a shepherd whose only crime was to keep his sheep safe because he was a devotee of his king Alcesius? Today we will talk about a disease which was a curse to mankind, supposedly given by gods. It is none other than syphilis. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease which causes ulcers in genital regions. If it is a sharply demarcated ulcer which is generally painless, happens a week or couple of weeks after you had an unprotected sexual intercourse. If you had an oral encounter, it might happen near your oral area as well. If it left untreated, it goes on to a secondary and tertiary phase where it's very dangerous to your body. However, the good news is when you find it and treat it at an early stage, the treatment is complete and there are no long-term side effects. Syphilis is often seen as taboo in the society since its inception, which was in the early 1400s when the French invaded Italy, and then they call it an Italian disease while the English call it as an French disease, the Japanese call it the Chinese disease. The throwing around went on and on, but at that time prostitution was a very large business, and which the soldiers kept giving it to prostitutes giving it to other people, and then they kept going on and on and on, not until the discovery of penicillin that it was seen to have a cure. Before that, so many things have been used, so many treatments have been discovered, so many people have died due to this and due to use of mercury to treat the disease. But in this age and era, why syphilis is relevant? Syphilis is relevant because it's still happening today. People are still ashamed to go to the doctor. Any ulcer in the genital area is sometimes treated very casually because of infection or anything, but it in most cases is often not so. Any painless ulcer you have can be syphilis. Our suggestion will be to go to your doctor as soon as you find something unnatural in your genital area and get diagnosed and treated properly so that you don't give it to your next partner. And needless to say, there comes the emphasis of safe sex. Why safe sex is important, why use of condoms are important when you are having a sexual encounter with a new partner. Stay safe, stay healthy.